National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, Wabash County, Indiana, Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northern Grant County in central Indiana, Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, eastern Kosciusko County, Indiana, southern Lagrange County in northeastern Indiana, Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, Allen County in northeastern Indiana, Dekalb County in northeastern Indiana, Wells County in northeastern Indiana, northern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Millersburg to 6 miles northwest of Van Buren, moving east at 115 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Yoder, Hunterville, Alvarado, Fairfield Center, Zulu, Tri-Lakes, Salem Center, Elmer, Syracuse, Metz, Bowerstown, Little Chapman Lake, Dunphy, Lisbon, Hudson, Poe, James Lake, Hessen Castle, Crooked Lake, and Goose Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 0 and 30. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 270 and 355. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 146 and 156. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across northeast Indiana. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and